Well, hello everybody. We started our day a while ago. Started around 8, about 2 hours ago. Just been cleaning up around the bus. Daniel just cooked some lunch / breakfast. What you got there?
Bratwurst with some shredded pepperoni and mustard on bread, of course.
Fancy. Mine doesn't have bread. Trying to teach him the ways of low carb, but he's not having it. Been cleaning the bus. Bus is clean. Dishes are done. Just need to clean the pan that Daniel just cooked on. And we're gonna head towards either Wyoming or Montana. Like I mentioned before, being that Daniel does not leave out of Seattle, he leaves out of Bozeman. We have more time just to chill and relax. We're able just to hang out today. Daniel actually spent a lot of time outside, just enjoying it.
Yes, very nice. It was actually nice to take a break instead of driving or going to this place and that place, and just waking up to our scenery and then chilling in the shade of the bus with the dog. It's pretty relaxing.
So once we finish eating, get things wrapped up here, probably gonna hit the road. We'll see what the road out looks like. Probably get the drone up actually and get some drone footage of the bus leaving. Not necessarily just for the roughness of the road, but just to get some drone footage. I only rarely have people that can actually drive the bus as I'm able to fly the drone, so that'll actually be pretty fun. But once we get situated, we'll catch up with you then.
That ain't mine. Yeah, I'm wandering through a world that ain't hers, that ain't hers. Well, I'm living through a heart I don't know. All
right, Daniel, what do you think of the boondocking spot?
It's an amazing spot. We're less than a mile from the entrance of a national park. Had an awesome outlook whenever we woke up, and there wasn't a whole lot of people down there, and the people that was there was friendly. We're heading to an unnamed road. Actually, it's a Otter Creek fishing spot or something. I think it's a BLM Chris found, and gonna take 90 the whole way in, keep off the back roads. And other than that, it's about a 7-hour drive. I'll probably drive half of it and let Chris finish the other half. Oh yeah, I got some really cool rocks right outside the door. They're not naturally curling in our area, or they wasn't there, however you want to put it.
Singing through a soul that I don't know, that I don't know. Well, honey, I'm just a ghost in this town. Yeah, honey, I'm just a ghost in this town. Honey, I'm just a ghost in this town. Well, I'm swimming in an ocean, and it's all mine. Yeah, it's all mine.
Okay, so we're pretty close to full on fuel. Car's reset. Daniel went over and ordered some Pizza Hut. Getting in some bad food while I can before I go back on my strict diet. Just got a little bit of a nap in and ready to drive into Montana.
But I wish I find it sooner, 'cause I ain't got no place to go. No. Sonny, I'm just
Your last full day on the road, Daniel.
Yep. And it came too quickly.
Yeah. We need to get you started your own business so you can just hang out on the road indefinitely.
Yeah.
Kobe's is going to miss Daniel. When Daniel went to reset the car, Kobe's ran from there back to the bedroom, was looking at him, scared he's going to leave. Once he came back, he's waiting for him at the door. So what's the plan for today?
We're gonna go into
Bozeman.
and park at a Walmart and then take the car and go check out Bozeman.
The reason why we're going into Bozeman is his flight leaves out of Bozeman. The Walmart there allows 1 night of overnight parking. We're gonna park the bus there today, unhook the car, go explore, get some food, and then that way at 4 in the morning, when we have to actually be like 3:30 in the morning, gonna have to drive to the airport, drop him off so he can be there around 4 because his flight leaves at 6. So we'll have a early night tonight and then just go from there. It is a little cloudy today, so we'll see if it clears up. Ready to do this?
Yeah, I noticed that too. When very sunny, hope it don't rain on us.
Well, we're not made of sugar. We won't melt, right?
Right.
Only I'm just a ghost this town. But for all my hard work, yeah, for all my hard work, yeah, for all my hard work, I've got to keep on. 'Cause I got something in my back pocket all along. Yeah, I got something in my back pocket to hold on to. Well, I'm walking through a world that ain't mine, that ain't mine. Yeah, I'm wandering through a world that ain't hers, that ain't hers. No,
Made it to Bozeman, Walmart here. This place is absolutely packed, full of rigs. Got a Skoolie over there, Skoolie right next to us. We're gonna go get some burgers. So we obviously decided to come straight into town to that Walmart. Like I said, Daniel has to be at the airport fairly early, and they allow 1 night at that Walmart. But with that amount of rigs there, I don't know how strictly that is enforced. But the plan is, after dropping Daniel off, just taking a nap and getting up midday, probably going back to that boondocking spot that we thought about, because it seems like everywhere around Bozeman there's not many boondocking spots. That other spot's about an hour away, but it has a 7-day limit, so I'll probably go out there, hang out for 5 to 6 days, get caught up with work, and get back in the flow of working in the bus. Anything left on your bucket list for the trip, Daniel?
Not that we've seen, but we're gonna ask our waiter if there's anything cool around here that we should do while we're here.
A little bit later in the day, this GoPro doesn't work all the time, as you can tell. So we just left the Museum of the Rockies, I think it was. Pretty cool exhibits, Genghis Khan, dinosaurs, all that good stuff. Now what's next, Daniel? Put you on the spot.
No plans. We're gonna drive around until we find something we want to do.
You wanna go to the waterfall?
We can.
That's what we're doing. What do you think of the falls, Daniel?
It's pretty awesome. Got some fall water too.
Some fall water. What's fall water?
The water came out of the falls.
Not scared about those parasites, huh?
Not gonna drink it. Yeah, I did taste it though. It's pretty refreshing.
So this is about a half mile hike. Very awesome spot. It's uphill all the way, but it's not too bad. So now, probably back to the bus, maybe get a little bit of dinner, and then up early for Daniel's exodus back to Indiana. Kobe's likes it out here. Bright and early in the morning.
10-4.
You ready to do this?
Ready? As I'll ever be.
How'd you sleep?
I slept pretty good. Me and Kobe slept together.
We were running an hour behind. So Daniel thought it was 3 hours difference, not 4. So we need to get going. Okay. Kobe, come on. Let's go. All right, Daniel, tell everybody what your favorite part was.
My favorite part probably was South Dakota because we spent the most time there and was able to check out the most things. And in South Dakota, we was obviously at a BLM, not a Walmart parking lot, but nothing wrong with a Walmart parking lot. I mean, we met a micro van couple last night. It's all got its ups, so it's hard for me to pick a favorite. But I'd have to say South Dakota is where I'll definitely be back with the kids.
Any words of wisdom for anybody listening or watching?
If you really want to do something like this, set your mind to it and you can do it if you want to.
Beautifully said.